Welcome! Here we are with a super quick way how to change the decimal and thousands separator in Excel if needed. Let's start. Hello and welcome to EasyClick Academy. My name's Maria and together with our EasyClick team, we're here to make sure you'll be able to use Excel in a quick and easy way thanks to our digestible video tutorials. To change the decimal or thousands separator in Excel, first click on File in the menu at the top of the screen. Then go to Options, here at the bottom on the left. You'll see a window where you click on Advanced. Then, under Editing Options, look for the section Use System Separators. Here you can specify what separators you want to use. We're going to change the decimal separator and use the comma instead of the period. So we'll simply rewrite this period and type in a comma. For the thousands separator, we're going to use the period and we'll do this in the same way. Now, just confirm with OK, and that's it. The separators have been changed just as we needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch other video tutorials by EasyClick Academy. Learn how to use Excel in a quick and easy way. Is this your first time on EasyClick? We'll be more than happy to welcome you in our online community. Hit that subscribe button and join the EasyClickers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.